Hey, it's Fekrfact. Ever caught yourself endlessly scrolling only to wonder, wait, is this changing my brain? Spoiler alert, it is. Here's the wild part. Science says every swipe, like, or notification lights up your brain's reward system. That's dopamine, the feel-good chemical behind things like chocolate, winning, and yes, even addiction. That's why you get that tiny jolt of excitement with every new alert, but there's a trade-off. The more I scroll, the more my brain craves quick bursts of info. My attention span? Shrinking. Books, deep work, even conversations start to feel slow, almost boring, compared to that endless feed. And it gets trickier. Scrolling through highlight reels of everyone else's life? My brain starts measuring my own happiness and self-worth against those carefully filtered snapshots. Suddenly, reality feels underwhelming. So, social media isn't just stealing my time, it's shaping how I think, focus, and even feel about myself. It's not just entertainment, it's a brain changer. So here's my question, do you think social media is controlling your brain? Drop a comment, hit like, and follow Fekrfact for more mind-bending facts.